Hello and welcome. This is a tutorial video on how to play version 1 of the Sunday Best drumline. The Sunday Best drumline is relatively simple as it is mostly just 2 repeated bars throughout the whole song. If you're like me at the moment and you don't have access to a real life drum kit, the next best thing that we can do is to input the drumline into a MIDI software such as Soundtrap and then have it played back to you by the software, and that's nearly as good as being able to play it yourself. So to do this, go to soundtrap.com, enter a studio, and then it's going to come up looking like this. This is where we input all of our music. I'm going to click Add New Track. There's all of these different options here. Click Drum and Beats. And then something that looks like this will come up, and that's what we call a step sequencer. So this is where we input the drum part. It has 4 sections here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's pretty much just indicating the 4 beats of the bar. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is just 1 bar's worth at the moment. Before I start inputting the actual drum part, I'm going to click where it says Machines up here. By default, Soundtrap makes it the vanilla, but I'm going to change it to XX. So this is pretty much just changing the sound of the drum machine, and I think personally that XX sounds the most similar to what the drums in the actual Sunday Best recording sound like. Firstly, to input the kick drum part, the first bar is just going to look like this. If we play it back, now I'm just going to grab this purple move and adjust cycle up here and move it over to bar 2. And then just add that. Now if I click out and play from the beginning, so that's the kick drum part. Now we just need to add the snare part to it. So the snare part is really simple. It simply falls on the 3rd beat of the bar, and that is it. So if we're now back in bar 1 here, put a snare there. Once again, move our little purple adjust to the 2nd bar and put it there as well. If we now exit out, now we just need to add the hi-hat part. It's relatively simple and is exactly the same, just like the snare drum, in both bars of the pattern. So we just go here, 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 and here. Now I'm just going to move my adjust bar over to the 2nd bar and write that exactly the same again. Now when I exit out of this and play it back, so as I said before, it's really relatively simple from here on in now that we've inputted the drum part, because it is pretty much the same the whole way through the song. It just kind of comes in and out at different times. So if I click on Shift on my keyboard and then highlight both parts, Command C for copy, go to bar 3, Command V, and then keep pressing Command V, it will play the 2-bar rhythm that I've written as many times over as I want. So once you've achieved that and you're putting the whole song together, you can have the drum beat playing at any time that you want. All you have to do is copy and paste those 2 bars and input them into wherever in the song you need them, and it's as easy as that.